Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and there is a good news or there is a great news here from TCS. So friend, TCS has started sending offer letter for 2020 and 2021 batch. So TCS has started conducting or sending emails for the interview for 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, so friends, we have one of our student, Priyanka, and she is from 2020 CSE batch. Okay, and she has got the offer letter from TCS, and she has bought paid NQT from the TCS website for 999 rupees. Okay, so friends, if you're from 2020 batch or 2021 batch, and if you're not getting any of interview email from TCS, then you need to look at your scorecard. So I will be also discussing, or I will be also displaying the scorecard of Priyanka, which she has got from TCS, and each and every detail. Okay, so like TCS sending offer letter based on cognitive skill test or subject NQT. Also, what is the cutoff for getting interview call from TCS? Subject NQT is required for interview call or not? In how many days TCS will start sending offer letter, cognitive and subject NQT scorecard of Priyanka? So each and every detail definitely we are going to discuss. Before that, friends, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe, and also do not forget to click on notify all, because all these kind of updates, either it is related to hiring or interview preparation. Okay, so each and everything you will be getting on our YouTube channel itself. So do subscribe right now and do not miss any kind of opportunity. Okay, so friends, the first thing is TCS sending offer letter based on cognitive skill test. Yes, this is true. So if you have a good marks, if you have a very good marks in cognitive skill test, then TCS will definitely call you for interview, and you will be also getting selected in interview. Okay, now, so what if you have a good marks in subject NQT also? So that also we will discuss. But this is a scorecard of Priyanka. So I have hidden the NQT ID here. So she had given her exam on 12th of September 2021, and I'm repeating again. So paid NQT. Okay, so she had got this 999 rupees bundle. Okay, so she is a student of paid NQT, not the free one. Okay, and she is from 2020 batch. Okay, CSE, computer science and engineering. So you can see the marks obtained. So the marks obtained out of 600, she has scored 537, around 90% in numerical ability. Okay, and verbal ability, you can say this is almost 100%, and reasoning ability, again you can see, so this is almost 100%, right? Okay, so the total percentage, okay, is 96.53 percentage, and definitely this raw scores have been normalized and changed to the scaled score. So friends, Priyanka had done her preparation in a perfect way. So she was also working, and along with her work, she has prepared for this TCS job, and she has finally got selected. So I congratulate Priyanka for getting selected in TCS. And as you know, opportunities for 2020 and 2021 batch getting selected in TCS is very, very less. Okay, so they are mostly preferring 2022 batch. But if you have very good marks in cognitive skill, then like Priyanka, you will be also getting the interview call, and you will be also getting the offer letter. So when I discussed with few of the students, so if your marks is equal to or more than 85%, then there is a chance you will be getting the interview mail from TCS directly. See, getting selected in TCS, getting the email by directly by TCS is really a very good and important thing here. Okay, so Priyanka has definitely referred our YouTube channel. Okay, also for getting selected in TCS. Okay, so she has got all her concept cleared. Okay, and then she was also putting a lot of effort, which this scorecard itself will show you that she has got she has put a lot of effort, and then only she got into that. Okay, now, so friends, if we'll talk about her exam date, so her exam date was 12th of September 2021. Okay, first shift on center exam, TCS NQT paid exam. Okay, survey mail she got on 5th of October. So if you are getting a survey mail from TCS, then please do fill, because based on the survey mail only, you will be getting shortlisted for interview, and that interview shortlisted mail will come to you. Okay, so 8th of October she got interview shortlisted mail, and she had got survey mail on 5th of October, and she had filled that, or she had replied to that survey mail. And the scorecard which you saw now was released on 10th of October for her. Everything is in 2021 only. Okay, and the TR and MR round conducted on 12th of October. HR round was conducted on 13th of October, and offer letter was released on 18th of October. Friends, one thing you can see, so from her exam date, okay, to the interview schedule date, so 12th plus 18 and 18 plus 7, so almost 25 days it took for her to get her interview scheduled. Okay, so interview shortlisted mail basically, and again after 5 days, so you can say almost after a month or 29 days, her interview was scheduled on 12th of October. So if you are from 2020 batch, 2021 batch, 2022 batch, do not get panic, your interview will be scheduled. Okay, see, in many cases it takes some time, because I see a lot of comment, sir, I gave the exam or interview on 7th of October, till now I have not got the result. So in case of Priyanka, she got the offer letter in 5 days itself, but in case of you, you might get, okay, in some days, like 25 days, 20 days, it depends upon the requirement. Okay, so if TCS has a requirement of that certain people, so Priyanka is from CSE, okay, so might be they might be needing CSE or with some experience or something like that. So based on their requirement, they hire people, okay, and they release the offer letter. Okay, so you do not have to get panic. Please wait for some time. Have patience. Okay, so please do not put in comment that, sir, I have still not got. You will get it, because we also do not have any idea after how many days TCS will release the offer letter, because it depends upon their business requirement. Okay, now, so I'll just say, so like Priyanka, you just keep putting effort. So one more thing about Priyanka, so she had given the Infosys exam, but she was not selected, but she was able to crack one of the toughest exam. At least for this year, you can say TCS is one of the toughest exam. Okay, and friends, what is this normalized score? So we will talk about this normalized score also. Okay, see friends, normalized means it's not like Priyanka got 6 out of 600, she got 599. No, it is not like that. See what happens, normalized score means they will see what is the total marks which topper got. So suppose topper got 400, okay, in that Priyanka would have got 399 point something. Okay, so now they will somehow normalize with this 600 marks. Okay, but see, actually speaking, frankly speaking, nobody would have got this much of marks. Okay, so they will normalize, they will see how much the topper has got, and accordingly they will calculate the percentage, and in that percentage you will be getting the marks. Okay, so do not think that she has done all the question correctly, she has done everything. No, nothing like that. It is a normalized score. So out of suppose a verbal ability question, suppose, okay, is 20. Okay, now, so the topper would have done 10 question, so she would have done 10 question. Okay, so like that, so they will be calculating in 10, not 20. So it depends upon the topper what is the maximum marks, and accordingly it will normalized. So do not get panic after seeing the marks, okay, because this is a normalized score. But yes, normalized score also should be very good. So 96.53 is a very good score. So if we have scored more than or equal to 85%, then there is a chance you will be getting interview call from TCS. Okay, now, so friends, what is the cutoff? So for cutoff for getting interview call directly from TCS should be more than 85%. This is not perfectly true, not 100% true, based on the data which we have got from the student, I'm telling you. Okay, now, subject NQT is required for interview call? No. So one more thing I wanted to tell you about Priyanka. So Priyanka has not scored very good marks in your subject NQT. Okay, so TCS will be generally sending the interview call for TCS Ninja. Okay, so TCS Ninja, for TCS Ninja, they will be sending interview mail, interview call based on your cognitive skills. So if you have got very good marks in cognitive skills, then you will be getting call for TCS Ninja. And if you have also got very good marks in subject NQT, okay, subject NQT, then TCS will be calling you for digital profile, or you can also say TCS Ninja Topper Test. TCS Ninja Topper Test. Only based on your cognitive skill test, TCS will not call you for digital or TCS Ninja Topper test. So that is the difference. So if we are scoring well in your cognitive skills, then TCS will definitely call for interview. Okay, and if you are also doing well in your subject NQT, then TCS will be calling you for digital profile or TCS Ninja Topper test. Okay, so subject NQT is required for TCS Digital, not for TCS Ninja. In how many days TCS sending offer letter? So friends, as we discussed, so in many cases we have seen TCS is sending in 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, 15 days. In many cases we are seeing that they are sending within 1 month and all. Okay, but anyway, so within October they have to clear each and everything. Now, cognitive and subject NQT scorecard. So friends, we saw the cognitive scorecard of Priyanka. Okay, and this is really very nice. So she has put a lot of effort along with the job, so we should really appreciate her effort. Okay, fine. And then friends, tell me about yourself. So these were the question which were asked from Priyanka. So TCS NQT TR plus MR round interview question. So for Priyanka, the interview had happened on 12th of October 2021. Okay, now so let us see what were the question. So definitely tell me about yourself. So this question will be asked generally so that you will feel relaxed in the interview. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your project. So what project you have done in and out of the project. So this is what we will be continuously telling you in the videos. So what made you choose this particular project? Okay, so why you wanted to choose this kind of project? Can you present a screen, write some code used in your project? Okay, so friends, whoever has done the project, if suppose 2-3 people have done the project, you should know a complete end to end about your project. What all technologies used in your project for front end, back end development purpose? Okay, then do you have knowledge about networking? What do you know how to install OS, like operating system? Your Windows is there, Linux is there, right? So which you are currently using? What is the query for selecting specific rows and column in MySQL? Okay, then what is the queries to change value of a cell in MySQL? Are you willing to relocate? Are you comfortable with working in other technology and in any other role than developer, like technical support? Okay, so friends, because she had mentioned that I want to work in Python, so they were just asking, are you comfortable while working in other technology or in other role, right, other than developer? What made you choose computer science branch? So why computer science branch? Okay, so all these questions were asked from her, okay, in TR plus MR round interview question. And friends, we will be also calling her on our platform, and she will be definitely discussing with you guys like how was her interview experiences and how she did. Okay, so each and everything, how did she prepare for the examination, she will be definitely here with all of you soon. Okay, and then she had HR in round interview questions. So why do you want to join TCS? Why TCS? Why not other companies? Are you willing to relocate to any location? Okay, are you okay with 1 year service bond? Because in TCS there will be 1 year service bond will be there. Did you had backlog in education or any education gap? Also, did you completed your studies in the stipulated time and marks for 10th 12th graduation? If we hire you, when will you available for joining? If you have any question for me, so definitely this you should always ask one question from your interviewer. Okay, now so friends, we discussed about TR, MR, and HR round interviews, right? Okay, and then we discussed about the scorecard. So definitely friends, you also put effort, and getting this is not very difficult. The only thing, your concept should be very clear. Okay, and you can also get this kind of percentage. Do not get panic. Okay, so anyway, Priyanka will, once she will be live, she will tell you how did she prepare, and how in exam you do not have to get panic. And the very interesting thing is, so for her, that was the first shift for TCS NQT paid exam, on 12th of September, and it was on center. So she had given from on center. Okay, so this was her exam date. And survey mail, you have to fill. Okay, otherwise you won't get this interview shortlisted mail, and then you will be getting the interview call from TCS. So if you're from 2020 and 2021 batch, do not get panic, wait for your turn. So everybody will be getting the interview mail and interview call. So friends, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you want to share your experience with us, like how other people are helping others, then you can email us at info.onlinestudyforyou@gmail.com. I will be mentioning the email ID in the description box. Okay, and we let us help each other and then grow, friends. So you also grow, and definitely we will grow only with you. If you are growing, then we will also grow, because our ultimate aim is that you get selected in one of the top MNC. That's what is our aim, that's what is our vision. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, आज ही सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि ये सारे अपडेट यू शुड नॉट मिस इट. ऑल दिस अपडेट्स आर डेफिनेटली बी लाइफ चेंजिंग फॉर one or others. Thank you friends, take care, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.